You're about to drop anywhere from 8,000 to over 20,000 on a luxury range. And Wolf, the name you keep hearing, may be your safest choice, or is it overpriced? In this video, I'll break down what Wolf gets right, where it falls short, and how it stacks up against Thermador, Miele, BlueStar, Monogram, and SKS in dual fuel and all gas, so you don't make a 5-figure mistake. First, the basics. Wolf ranges come in 4 sizes, 30, 36, 48, and 60 inches, all available in all gas or dual fuel. 30 inches is your standard setup, 1 oven, 4 burners. At 36 inch, you get a larger oven and the option to add a grill or griddle. Except at 48, you'll get a second oven, plus you get different options like infrared grill, griddle, French top, and for instance, you get a double grill or griddle. And at 60 inch, you get 2 full-size ovens and room for up to 10 cooking options. Okay, this needs to be explained because for Wolf, more than any other brand, their gas and dual fuel ranges are almost completely different. So in this part of the video, we're going to explain some of those differences. Then we'll tell you what they have in common. And finally, we'll compare other brands to both Wolf and dual fuel and all gas. You've probably heard dual fuel is better, and sometimes it is, but it really depends on what and how you cook. Dual fuel gives you a dry electric oven, which is good for baking. All gas is a moisture oven, which is better for roasting. Boilers are a major difference too. The dual fuel version is an electric boiler, which is slower and less intense than the gas range, which has an 18,000 BTU infrared boiler. One more thing, dual fuel costs about 15% more, needs a 50 amp line if you're replacing, whereas gas plugs into a standard 120 volt. Now let's look at all aspects of these ranges. In all gas models, Wolf burners max out at 15,000 BTU with one simmer burner at 9,200. Dual fuel, you get more output, up to 20,000 BTUs, plus higher output across the cooktop. Controls are day and night. Gas models had just knobs, no timer, no clock, no screen. Dual fuel adds a 7-inch touchscreen with Wolf Gourmet guided cooking. You pick the food, pick how you like it. It sets temperature, time, even rack position automatically. You also get Wi-Fi and app control, so you can start dinner before you even get home. Dual fuel gives you the vertical convection, 2 fans, extended elements, vertical heating, and even results on multiple racks. Gas models have single fan convection, works fine but less consistent. If you want self-cleaning, you only have it available in dual fuel. You need to clean your gas oven on your own. These are signature features for both fuel types. Simmer control is one of Wolf's biggest strengths. Thanks to dual stack burners, every burner holds low heat consistently. Other brands usually give you 2 low burners and they cycle on and off. You get an infrared grill and griddle, which is hotter and faster than standard grill options and easier to clean. Infrared also means better searing as well. With a French top, it heats from the center out, so you move pots to control the temperature. It's ideal for sauces and staging multiple dishes. Now let's compare Wolf to its main competitors in all gas and dual fuel, because you now know these are very different ranges and their strengths vary depending on how you cook. In all gas, BlueStar has up to 25,000 BTUs, the most powerful burners on the market, but no true simmer control. Now you have an all gas grill and griddle, it's not infrared, so you get less searing power and it's harder to clean. Like Wolf, it's single convection, however BlueStar's European convection, so it blows from the back of the stove for even more even temperature. You do have sizes 24 to 60 inch on a BlueStar, and over 1,000 colors and 6 trim options. Miele's up to 19,500 BTUs, and it's a rare twin convection in an all-gas oven. It's the most cleanable, with self-cleaning oven and dishwasher-safe racks. Includes a timer and clock, no touchscreen, and you do get an infrared grill or grill option. Thermador's got up to 22,000 BTU on 1 burner, with extra low simmer on 2 burners. Self-cleaning with a built-in timer. There is no grill option on a Thermador gas range. SKS is 23,000 BTU and 2 ultra-low simmer burners. Its Wi-Fi enables smart knobs and an infrared boiler, but no cooktop customization. For dual fuel BlueStar, you get the new X8 burners that go up to 25,000 BTUs, but they're sealed, unlike the open and all gas. Still no true simmer, but massive output. This one does include a 7-inch touchscreen, no self-cleaning, no steam, no smart connectivity, unlike Wolf, no guided cooking as well. It only offers all burners, or it does give you a griddle option as well. Miele is still up to 19,500 BTUs with the M-Touch smart controls and steam assist for baking. So it's got great controls, along with dual convection cell cleaning and a wireless probe. The 48-inch includes a speed oven and warming drawer. This is unique only to Miele. You still get the infrared grill option. Thermador is 22,000 BTUs with extra low simmer and select burners, but it's only single convection. Their 48 and 60-inch ranges include a steam oven and built-in induction burner, creating a hybrid setup. SKS offers 23,000 BTUs with 2 ultra-low simmer burners. Only range with gas, induction, and sous vide in one cooktop. Includes a steam combi oven, convection oven, and a touchscreen interface with smart app control. So here's the bottom line. Wolf is a decent all-around range, especially in dual fuel. It's not the most powerful, doesn't offer steam, speed, or sous vide, but it's consistent, user-friendly, and has great post-sale support, which, trust me, matters more than you think. But here's one thing all these brands have in common. They'll all need service, eventually. Wolf is traditionally decent. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe to be notified of future content. And also, my daughter can finally brag that her dad's a YouTube influencer.